Welcome back, guys. So right now we want to talk about a new animation style. This is modern and I had to include it because most people are looking for the tool to create it. So there's something called faceless humanoid videos right now, and it's the trend right now. Faceless humanoid videos. So it's the trend on YouTube right now, and people have been asking for tools to create it. So there are a lot of videos right there that is faceless humanoid video, and it's part of animation as well. So I want to show you how to create the faceless humanoid kind of animation. So right now I would say I want to create I want to create a faceless humanoid, okay, humanoid minimalist minimalist 3D 3D characters, two characters to be precise, to be precise, consistency with two different two different core character block, scene intersection of both characters, okay, of both characters, and an animation trigger to effect the minimalist 3D animation style. Okay, so faceless animation style, which is the keyword, faceless animation style. So let's see what the results will be right now, so we can have that scene, and you see that you can actually create a faceless humanoid video here of character. So let's have this sense right now. Let's see what the results will be. So let's see if we're able to create a faceless humanoid like we've been seeing, and the trend has been going on and on. So let's see. And right here on flow, of course, we have Imagen. So I'm waiting for this to be here. So we have the character one, the visionary, we have the character two, the architect, and this is the animation trigger right now. So this is the animation trigger. We copy this, of course. So here we have the animation trigger, which is the first thing we're going to do. Yes, so we're going to have the animation trigger, and the next thing we're going to have is the character is smooth. So let's see what the first character is with the animation trigger. So we have this right now, and let's see. So let's have copy, and let's see what the first character looks like. You will be able to get the faceless humanoid right there. Then we have the second character. So let's make sure the second character is right here, and here we are. So I'm going to input the second character so we can see what the faceless humanoid looks like. So I'm going to copy this. So this is the first faceless humanoid, and there we are. We're able to create the humanoid video. So it's just about your prompts, as you could see. So a lot of people will be asking this now. Everyone could see that you could actually create an humanoid animation style without having to use expensive tools. So here we are. So we have the humanoid animation style right now, and here we are right away creating the humanoid animation style. So this is the last animation style I'm going to talk about. Here we are. So we could actually create for the second character as well. So that way we get to see that we've created the humanoid animation style. So let's see what the second character looks like, by the way. So this is the second character like right now. So let's wait for what the second character looks like. Then we have scene intersection. Here we have the 3D style. So we have this right now. So this is the intersection right away. So let's see what the intersection looks like. Since we have our animation style, we're going to leave it at that. So here we have this right now. So let's see. So let's copy this right now. Okay. So let's have the scene intersection here. One. And let's have this trigger right here. So we have the trigger right now. Yes, so animation trigger actually helps improve our prompts. So we're going to have the trigger and the scenes. So let's copy this and let's come back to flow and see what we've created so far. So this is the second character right here. Yes, which is this faceless humanoid. Yes, we have that. So now we can now have this other one sent. So the other one we want to have sent now is this. So we're going to have the intersection. So let me have it sent right away. So this way we'll be able to create the faceless humanoid minimalist 3D, and that way you get to create a faceless humanoid video since you know how to create the character set. And here we are. So look at both character being intersected. So far that's so good. So here we have this, and basically, yeah, you can actually use this. You can reference just one image. Once you've gotten your humanoid, yes, you can reference each images. So what we want to do, you can actually use Nano Banana to edit any of this character that you don't like. So we have Nano Banana Pro, we have Nano Banana itself for edit. So with Nano Banana Pro, you could edit whatever you want to edit. So you say edit, remove the second character in this piece, yeah. So we're going to remove the second character, leave the centered one only. So let's see how to edit with Nano Banana Pro. Yes, this comes with your like flow integration. So let's see what the edit would look like if we have a clean edit, and that way we've added another skill set to our animation creation. So right now we are trying to edit what we have right there, and here we are. So this is the humanoid right now, and we're trying to edit the character behind the main one and at the center. So let's see what the results will be like. Let's see what Nano Banana Pro can do. You could use Nano Banana as well, not necessarily Nano Banana Pro. They can both do almost the same thing. So let's wait for the edit and let's see what the changes would look like. Since this is the last animation set or character we are talking about, and this is actually new, it's still being developed, is new and modern, and here we are. So we are waiting for this. As you could see, this has been cleaned up with Nano Banana Pro, and this makes it look good. So we have this, you could upscale, but right now original size is okay. I hope to see you in the next lesson. But so far so good, we've done this so far, and we've created humanoid as well, and there we are. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.